Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete voice notes on WhatsApp to remove sent or received audio messages from your chats, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device and log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the chat conversation that contains the voice note you want to delete. Step 3. Locate the voice note message you wish to remove from the chat. Step 4. Press and hold on the voice note message until it is highlighted and a menu appears at the top of the screen. Step 5. Tap the trash or delete icon at the top of the screen to open deletion options. Step 6. Choose delete. For me to remove the voice note from your chat only, or select delete for everyone to remove it from both your chat and the recipient's chat. Step 7. Note that delete for everyone only works if the voice note was sent recently, within a limited time frame set by WhatsApp. Step 8. Confirm the deletion by tapping delete when prompted to permanently remove the voice note from the conversation. Step 9. Repeat these steps for any additional voice notes you want to delete from your WhatsApp chats. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.